We have 12 bundles of Christmas for you, running all the way from this weekend to the new year, and they're in Nuvo, Craft Perfect and Tim Holtz goodies. So let's find out what those amazing bundles are and the discounts on them. Your 12th bundle of Christmas is Ladies Dancing, and it is 11 Mica Mists at 60% off. Vibrant colours with Mica Mists, you create mixed media designs, they're a wonderful product. Your Gold Rings bundle is a selection of speciality card in lots of gold textures and shades, and that's available at 60% off. Your French Hens bundle is a pearlescent card bundle, a big selection of colours and shades at 50% off. Your Drummers Drumming bundle is 6 packs of beautiful glitter card, 5 sheets in each, and that's available for you at 50% off. Calling Birds is a classic card bundle. There's 12 packs altogether, there's 10 sheets in each, and this is available for you at 50% off. Your Piper's Piping bundle is 6 large ink pads at 40% off. A Turtle Doves bundle next, a selection of Nuvo drops all at 40% off. Your Lords a Leaping bundle, that is 8 packs, 5 sheets in each at 30% off. A Maids a Milking bundle is 3 special stamping tools at 30% off. Swans a Swimming is a Nuvo adhesives bundle, you get 4 altogether at 30% off. Our Geese a Laying bundle is 6 Nuvo Dream drops giving that iridescent embellishment, available at 50% off. And finally, our Pear Tree bundle is 2 brilliant Tim Holtz scissors available for you at 40% off. And there we have it, those are the amazing 12 bundles of Christmas. They're available from Friday all the way into the new year, so grab yourself an amazing 12 days bundle while you can.